Alright, so welcome to St. Maarten. We're going to do a video here detailing one of the things you can do on your own instead of a ship excursion. We are doing Eagle Tours, Catamaran, and we're in St. Maarten, and I often will do a Captain Allen's semi-private tour. Shout out to Captain Allen's. It's an amazing tour. You can book online. He wasn't running tours today. It is Christmas Eve, so we found an alternative. We used Viator, which is a travel company, and you can use it on the app, and it's perfectly safe. We paid in advance. They have a refund policy if you cancel within 24 or by at least 24 hours before. So very easily to get here, you go to Bobby's Marina. So when you get off the ship, you just take a left and you follow the masses of people. It's about a 15-minute walk, and when you get to the town, it's basically a little area here, and that's where you check in, right there. You check in, and it also is the place where the water taxis are. That goes to and from the ship. And just you want to know, don't take a taxi here, don't take a water taxi here. It's just quicker to walk. So now it's time to tell you all about Eagle Tours. Okay, so when you get to the marina, you just keep on walking to the same area where the water taxi takes you to and from the ship. Like I said, don't take the water taxi. This is the building right here. You'll see the sign, check in for tours, and it's this building right here. So they check you in, you end up getting a wristband, and in this case, we have a pink one.
The what?
And we're gonna wait for the tour, and it's a catamaran. So we are going to show you all about it. So here we go. So just to give you an idea where this office is for checking in on the tour, it's next to the Great Bay Beach and the area where, like I said, the water taxi drops you off, and the Yoda guy is over there on the other side of this. But that's where a lot of people walk to just go to the nearest, cheapest beach to the ships. You can take the water taxi. You can easily walk. I recommend walking because it takes you shorter to walk than to wait in line for the water taxi or a regular taxi. So that's Great Bay Beach. Most of the hotels there have deals where you get 2 chairs, 2 umbrellas, and a bucket of beer for like $25. So that's the surroundings, and we're going to be on a catamaran similar to that. So right now it's time to go and get on the catamaran. All right, so here is our catamaran. It's called the 2-rum punch, and you put your shoes in the little bins. And it's a full house, but we'll manage.
I know, but it's
Alright, we are at the front of the catamaran. This is the best place to be. There's not a lot of people up here. Place to spread out. I think people are learning the secret. But yeah, we're going to be back here in the front of the catamaran and hang out on the netting and enjoy the view. Alright, look at these beautiful views. We got like 7 ships in port today, 6 or 7. There's St. Maarten. So Eagle Tours, they serve lunch, island-style barbecue lunch. They serve rum punch, soft drinks, beers, some liquors, and it's all inclusive. And it's a beautiful day here in St. Maarten, just to hang out. All right, so our first snorkel stop, which is what they are calling the primary snorkel stop, is a 45-minute stop, and we're right here simply at Great Bay, which is the typical beaches that you go to if you want to just get off the ship and walk to a beach. And there's really not a reef here. There may be a little bit of rocks down here. Looks to be pretty deep here, 25 feet, maybe 30 feet. But this is going to be the primary snorkel spot. I think they're going to throw some fish food out, and you might see some fish, but you're not going to see reefs here, so to speak. So you know, don't get your hopes up for too much exciting snorkeling, but if you just want to snorkel and hang out on a catamaran, this is the place to use. I think they go here because it's an easy spot. Doesn't take long to get to, and it's pretty calm in here, so it's an easy snorkel, but it's not very deep, but it's not very shallow either. So that is the main snorkel spot. I may skip this snorkeling spot myself, and everyone will get off and hopefully they'll snorkel, and we'll have more room to enjoy. And who knows, if I don't snorkel at all, maybe the bar will be open early for me. They said you could see some cannons down there and some other artifacts. You will see some fish. They're going to bring some fish food, but they have snorkels, masks, fins, noodles to use, and they tie up to a floating buoy here. And that is the first snorkel stop here on Eagle Tours. So they said there is a couple of wrecks and artifacts to see over there. So I would recommend having the fins so you can swim easily from here to the spot. I'm sorry I didn't bring my GoPro. I forgot it. So no underwater footage, but my wife's getting in, so I may have to get in as well. Alright, so I did go snorkeling and I saw a sunken submarine, I saw a cannon, I saw a shopping cart, and there was an underwater naval training, some kind of course. And there's supposed to be a toilet, which I didn't see. But they fed some fish, there was some fish, but that was it. The water was kind of deep, it was nothing but sand. Saw some ballyhoo, some sergeant majors, and one or two small yellowtails, but the water was refreshing, and you know, at least I went in and did it. So, not the best of snorkeling spots, but you do get wet, and they do serve you beer. You have Carib, you have Coors Light, rum punch, and the Carib beer is ice cold. And so that's stop number 1 here at St. Maarten and Great Bay. Alright, so we have people here waiting after the first stop. They have little sandwiches, as you can see. Nothing fancy. I think this is just like a snack, because I thought they were supposed to have island-style barbecue. But anyway, this is just snacks. And the little sandwiches here. And everyone looks like they had a good time snorkeling. It may look like a lot of people, but it's not bad. You can go out in the front, and it's really nice. And everyone's very friendly, so that was stop number 1, and we are starting the engines up, going to stop number 2. Okay, we're at Maho Beach, and guess what we're waiting for? The plane, the plane, the plane. There comes a plane.
Where are they gonna come?
It's coming. All those people down there. All those people down there standing at the beach, waiting for the jet to come in. It's coming. Stay tuned. Okay. The plane is coming. It's a big jet. It's a big jet. Here it comes. Slow the catamaran. There it goes. There's the people.
Oh my God!
Look how low. It's like, wow. Yeah. These guys knew the timing, yeah.
You feel it.
That was cool. So there it is, Maho Beach. Look how beautiful the water is here. Look at those caves.
We're in the French side now?
That white desert.
Oh, so the French side is on this. Yep. We're on the border of the French and the Dutch side right over here. If you've never been to Marigot, it's a good experience. Get a taxi from Phillipsburg, go to Marigot. You feel like you're in Europe. All French speaking, it's really cool. You get the French bakeries and yeah, everyone speaks French there. This is Long Bay in the French side. This really looks nice. I hadn't been over here before, but this looks really, really nice. This kind of reminds me of Anguilla over here. Beautiful. This looks really nice. Enjoy the scenery. It's beautiful. Turquoise, green water. Expansive beaches, beautiful. Reminds me of Anguilla a little bit. I think this is a beach stop. Is this a beach stop?
Yes, yes.
All right. This is a beach stop. What is your name?
Fritz. Fritz.
Fritz?
Yes.
Tell everyone why they should take Eagle Tours.
Trust me. Promise you this is going to be the best for you, all right? If it's not Eagle Tours, it's not good.
Oh, yeah. I tell you what, it's our first time doing Eagle Tours, and I am impressed. It's great. The crew is amazing. The Catamaran's great. It's a great time. They serve great rum punch. So this is a beach stop, and I'm really looking forward to getting out on this beach. So this is Long Bay La Semana. La Semana is the resort. It's a 5-star resort. And it is Spanish for week, and it's a minimum of 1 week stay, and it's a Spanish style, so it kind of fits. And we have an hour here, which is good for me, because, man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful here.
Do it! Dad, I think you promise.
You're not cold anymore?
No.
Yeah, we'll
I know.
Jerk chicken. Jerk.
All right. We have chicken, ribs, pigeon peas and rice, potato salad.
I got a big
Caesar
one!
salad is very good. That's what he said.
Ready for me?
Okay, and they said to throw your chicken bones overboard. There's a lot of big fish here, as you can see.
I love it.
Barb, your turn. There's some big tarpon in here.
No, here it comes.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Hey, bird.
Ready? Oh my God, look at those fish.
Toss it out about 10 feet.
Just like right there.
10 feet.
Just drop.
Not even. Boom!
Wow. Got it. Wow. All right. That's exciting.
All these fish are tight.
There's big fish down there.
Weirdo. They're gigantic. It seems weird to me that they
Got another one. Not a big one. All right. Another plane. They keep all the schedules, so they know when the planes are coming. We're just hanging out here, drinking some rum punch, enjoying the sail. People are out here having a good time on Eagle Tours in St. Maarten. I recommend bringing these towels on your Caribbean cruise, by the way. You can use scarves, bandanas, neck towels. When you're snorkeling, you can use them. Keep your hair getting tangled in the mask. But these are really nice to have. Protect you from the sun. See, and you can even wear them as a bandana. See that? Protects you from the sun. Max, wave to the camera. Right. What bay is this?
Pardon me?
What bay is this?
Simpson Bay.
Simpson. All right, this is Simpson Bay. There's some turtles in here. A shipwreck. It's like a freighter slammed against the wall there, and there it stays. Oh, Irma. That's the Irma shipwreck. That's from Hurricane Irma. There are known to be turtle sightings here. The green sea turtles. Simpson Bay. Mega yachts park in here. And there's your shipwreck. And there it stays. And sadly, the tour is coming to the end here. We'll be back on time. About 3:30 local time. So almost a 6-hour tour. We're having a great time. Really, really nice. Look who it is. We have Black Santa Claus. Well, I'll give you my recap here right now as we pull into the harbor. Yes, we saw Black Santa Claus. We have taken the Eagle Tours Catamaran tour out of St Maarten, and you can book it on Viator. It was around $122 a person, and it includes lunch, snacks, drinks. Amazing deal. Great catamaran. I'll tell you what, it's not for you if you're interested in really serious snorkeling spots like reefs and things. You will snorkel, you can swim in the water and go to the beach, and it's really good. It's not snorkeling specific. There is one snorkeling stop that does see a wreck and a couple of things, but not really reefs. But other than that, you're on a catamaran, you're taking along the sights of the coast of St Maarten, and beer, rum punch, liquor, food. The crew is amazing, it's fun, it's friendly. I mean, just relaxing day. And I really like that floating mat that they took you out on. It was like the closest I ever came to sleeping underwater. It's partially submerged and I was falling asleep. I highly recommend the Eagle Tours Catamaran. You can walk from the cruise ships right over here, get on the catamaran. It's a 15-minute walk. It's just an amazing time. And I love catamaran tours in particular, but this one is really good. And hopefully this helps you out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and just give this a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Live from St Maarten, and we're out.